Hello kids, welcome back to your phonics class. So today we're going to see the final Y as a vowel, okay? So sometimes the Y can be a consonant or a vowel, okay? Remember the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. But the Y has different sounds. Tiene diferentes sonidos, okay? So let's continue. So we have two examples of how the Y sounds. So we have cry, cry. The Y makes the long I sound, okay? So when the Y sounds I, cuando la Y suene I, like you heard, como que se golpearon, it is the long I, okay? So cry, it is long I. Then we have pony, pony, E, okay? So it's going to be the long E sound, okay? So remember I, long I sound. E, long E sound. So open up your book to page 247. 247. So we're going to read this, okay? We have up in the sky, I, so it's long I, see the clouds fly, long I, by, long I, one looks like a bunny, long E, is that funny? Okay, good. Now let's continue working in the book. So we have, say the name of the picture. Circle the picture if the Y sound, its name has the long I sound. Draw a line under the picture if the Y in its name has the long E sound. So we have sky is long I, bunny long E. So we have this picture. It's a fly. Fly sounds like the long I, so you circle it. Number 2, 20. 20 is long E, so you underline. Let's see number 3. What is it? It's the sky. Sky. Does it have the long E or I? The long I, right? So we circle it. Circle the picture. Good. Let's continue with number 4. 40. 40. E. What sound does it have? Long E. So you underline the picture. Good. Number 4. Sherry. Sherry. What sound does it make? Long E. So you also underline it, okay? You underline Sherry. So let's underline it. Number 6. What is picture number 6? It's a pony. Pony. So you circle it or you underline. Remember, you circle it when it is long I. You underline when it is long E. So it is long E and you underline. Good. Number 7. Okay. So you dry. Aquí está secando. Dry. Dry. What sound does it make? The long I. And what do? You circle it. Good. Let's continue with number 8. Number 8. What is it doing? Fry. Freír. Fry. Fry. What sound does it make? The long I. So you are going to circle it. Number 9. Penny. Penny. What sound does it make? The long E. Good. So you're going to underline it. Good. Number 10. Cry. The baby is crying, so it's cry. Cry. What do you do? Is the long I or long E? Yes, long I. So you are going to circle it. Good. And the last picture for this. Bunny. Bunny. Yes, long E. So you're going to underline. Good. So this page, we did it together. Page 248, you're going to work it alone. Okay, so next page, you work it alone. But we're moving on to the other topic. We're going to see another one. Page 249, please. Okay, 249. We're going to do it together. So now we're going to see the AR sound. R, okay? We have the words car, okay, star, what other? Barn, arm, all those words has the AR. So we have, my mom could drive her car, look, AR, but she's not going too far, AR, so she'll just pass and save all the gas. Good. So let's read the instructions. The letter R after a vowel gives the vowel a new sound. Say the name of the picture. Color the picture if its name has the AR sound. Okay, so you're going to color the pictures. I am going to circle it because I cannot color, but you are going to color the pictures I've circled. Ustedes van a colorear las que yo circule. So we have the first one, car. Yes, it has AR, so you color the car. Number 1, this is a jar. Jar. Does it have the AR? Yes, so you're going to circle it. Number 2, what is this? You see it in the sky. It is a star. Star. It's not a star, okay? It is star. So, does it have the AR sound? Yes. So, you're going to circle it. Good. Number 3, cup. Cup. Does it have the AR sound? No. So, you do not color. Remember, you have to color these pictures. Number 4, barn. Barn. Does it have the AR sound? Yes, so you're going to circle it. Good. Number 6. What is this? Heart. Heart. Does it have the AR sound? Yes. So you are also going to circle it. Sorry, color it. Remember, you have to color it. Number 6. Yarn. Yarn. The cats play with them. So does it have the AR sound? Yes, so you're going to color it. Yes. Sorry, I keep repeating it. Number 7. Okay, this is not the house, okay? It is yard. Yard. Does it have the AR sound? Yes, okay, so also color it. Color it. Remember, you have to color the pictures. Okay, so for the last one on this page, this is a coat. Coat. Does it have the AR sound? No, right? So you do not color it. Good. So remember to color these pictures. Remember to color them, okay? Let's move on to the last page, okay? So we have, let's read the instruction. Say the name of each picture. Circle the pictures whose name have the AR sound. Print AR on the line. So if we're going to write AR on the line. So we have the first one. Remember, this one is a jar. Jar. Does it have the AR sound? Yes, so you circle it. The next one, what is this? Doll. Doll. Does it have it? No, good. Next we have this. What is this? That is your arm. Arm. Does it have that AR sound? Yes, good. So you're also going to circle it. Okay, circle the arm. Good. Circle it. Remember on the line, what are you going to write? AR. Good. Let's moving on to the next one. What is this? We saw it before. It is a car. Do we circle it? Yes, good, because it has that AR sound. And the next picture is a boat. Boat. Does it have the sound? No, good. This, any idea what is this? It is a dart. Dart. Does it have the AR sound? Yes, so you're also going to circle it. And what are you going to write on the line? AR. Good, we're almost finishing. Good, number 3. Any idea what is this? Where you eat? The dish. Dish. Does it have the AR sound? No, good. And this is a garden. Garden. Does it have the AR sound? Yes, okay, so you're going to circle it. Good. The next picture is a barn. Barn. Do you circle it? Yes, because it has the AR sound. Okay, and also don't forget to write AR. Number 4. This you use it for the winter. Okay, you use it in the winter. It is called a scarf. 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 Does it have the AR sound? Yes, okay, good. So you're also going to circle it. This, any idea what is this? It is a harp. Harp. Do you circle it? Yes, good. Good. There we go. And this last picture is a tack. Tack. Does it have the AR sound? No, good. And we write the letters AR. Picture number 5. Any idea what is that? It is a skunk. Skunk. Okay? Un zorrillo. Skunk. Does it have the AR sound? No, good. So you don't circle it. What is this? That's a star. Star. Do we circle it? Yes, because it has the AR sound. And the last picture, it is a yarn. Yarn. Do we circle it? Yes, good. Good. And we write it. So we finished the class for today, okay? Remember to work on page 248 alone, okay? Work on page 248 alone. So see you next class. Bye.